let's learn about the letter A. Hi friends, did you know that every time you practice reading, your brain gets stronger and smarter? Today, we're going to learn about the short A sound, like in apple, ant, and alligator. Are you ready to become a superstar reader? Let's begin. The short A makes the sound ah, like when you say ah, as in apple. Can you say it with me? Apple. Wow, your ears are already doing amazing listening work. Let's say and spell some more short A words together. Repeat after me. Our first word is add. Say it with me. Add. Let's sound it out. Add. Add. Let's spell and read it together. A-D-D, add. A-D-D, add. Here's our sentence. I can add two numbers together. Awesome job! This one is a favorite. Cat. Say it with me. Cat. Let's sound it out. K-at. Cat. K-at. Cat. Let's spell and read it. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Here's our sentence. The cat ran under the table. Great job! Now try hat. Say it with me. Hat. Let's sound it out. At. Hat. At. Hat. Let's spell and read it. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Here's our sentence. I wore my big hat to the beach. Way to go! Here comes bat. Say it with me. Bat. Let's sound it out. B-at. Bat. B-at. Bat. Let's spell and read it. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Here's our sentence. The bat flew across the sky. Awesome! You hit that one right out of the park. Let's try map. Say it with me. Map. Let's sound it out. M-ap. Map. M-ap. Map. Let's spell and read it. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Here's our sentence. I used a map to find treasure. Wow, you're going places with that word. Last one. Jam. Say it with me. Jam. Let's sound it out. J-am. Jam. 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 Let's spell and read it. J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Here's our sentence. I love strawberry jam on toast. You did it! Wow, you just read and spelled 7 short A words. Let's say them one more time together. Apple. Add. Cat. Hat. Bat. Map. And jam. If you got all 7, wow, you're becoming a pro. And if you're still learning, don't worry. Keep trying. Always ask for help. And remember our motto, I think I can. See you next time.